Hello, good morning. Today is our second lecture on the same topic, differentiation. In last lecture, we are discussed on the derivatives of composite function. Now we are going to start the first exercise of the topic. That is exercise 1.1. We will take today the examples on the derivatives of composite function. So let us first function. We have to find dy by dx. dy by dx means derivative of y with respect to x. What is the meaning of dy by dx? Derivative of y with respect to x. So first example, x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. We have to find the derivative of this function. This is not a standard function. Standard function is this, x raised to n. This is the standard function, d by dx of x raised to n. That is n into x raised to n minus 1. So this is not the standard function, this is a composite function, function of function. That's why this is called as what? Composite function. So solution for this. So listen very carefully. This is the first example of derivatives of composite function. Let y is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. This is the function. Defined here y is equal to what? This example x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. Now we have to find derivative. So right here differentiate with respect to x. It's a differentiation with respect to x. So write in the left hand side d by dx. In the right hand side d by dx. Left hand side is y. Right hand side is x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. Now compare this example with the formula, that is d by dx of f of x raised to n. That is equal to n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into f dash of x. This is the formula. Now this is dy by dx. So n into 5 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 n minus 1 into d by dx of this x cube minus 2x minus 1. So this is equal to 5 into x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 into, what is the derivative of x cube? It is a 3x square. Derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of 1 is 0. So this is answer. This is dy by dx. I hope you understand. So this is first example of derivatives of composite function. Very simple. So d by dx to the left hand side to the right hand side. 5 into f of x raised to n minus 1 into this is f dash of x. F dash of x means derivative of this particular x cube minus 2x minus 1. So this is the answer. Let us start the second example of the same. Example is y is equal to 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5 raised to 5 by 2. Same example on the derivatives of composite function. Same formula. So this is not a standard function, it's the composite function. Function of another function. So right here differentiate with respect to x. This is the process of actual differentiation. Left hand side d by dx of 1. Right hand side d by dx of this. 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5 raised to 5 by 2. Now this is f of x raised to n. This becomes left hand side is dy by dx. Right hand side is 5 by 2 into 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5. 5 by 2 minus 1. 5 by 2 minus 1 into d by dx of f dash of x means derivative of this d by dx of 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5. Minus 5. This is equal to 5 by 2, 2x raised to 3 by minus 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5 raised to 4 into d by dx of this 2 is a coefficient as it is, 3 is a coefficient as it is, the constant term derivative is 0. Now here x raised to 3 by 2 का differentiation x raised to 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. x raised to 4 by 3 का derivative 4 by 3 into x raised to 4 by 3 minus 1. Very simple differentiation. X raised to n into x raised to n minus 1, n into x raised to n minus 1. Now this term cancel, 2 cancel, this 3 cancel. So what will be the final derivative? 5 by 2 into 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5 raised to 4 into this multiplication into right dot 3x raised to 3 minus 2 is 1 by 2 minus 4 1 by 3. 4 by 3 minus 1 is 1 by 3. This is the answer dy by dx. Second example of derivatives of composite function. I hope you understand. We will take much more examples on the same. और इस पे बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल होंगे. This belongs to definitely exercise 1.1. Example number third. After second example, we will take this example. Variety of example. Y is equal to square root of x square plus under x square plus 1. Now this is a composite function of three functions. First square root, then x square, then square root, then x square. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. It's important. Now observe this, understand this is d by dx of left hand side is equal to d by dx of right hand side. Square root of x square plus root x square plus 1. Same process. First slide differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of left hand side, d by dx of right hand side. So this is equal to dy by dx. First you must know the derivative of root f of x. This is the square root of f of x. This is the formula d by dx of square root of f of x. This is equal to 1 upon 2 root f of x into f dash of x. 1 upon 2 root f of x into what? F dash of x. What will be here? This is equal to 1 upon 2 root x square plus root x square plus 1 into d by dx of this complete term from the square root. This is a d by dx of what? X square plus root x square plus 1. Now here is 1 upon this term as it is, carry forward 2 root x square plus root x square plus 1. Now it's u plus v. Derivative of first plus derivative of second. Derivative of u plus derivative of v. This is equal to into d by dx of x square plus d by dx of root x square plus 1. It's clearly u plus v. Sum of two functions. Derivative of u plus derivative of v. This is equal to 1 upon 2 under x square plus root x square plus 1 into what will be the derivative of x square? 2x. N into x raised to n minus 1 into plus here. What is the derivative of root? 1 by 2 root x square plus 1. 1 by 2 root x square plus 1 into d by dx of अभी particular part का differentiation, that is root x square plus 1. This is equal to, so dy by dx is equal to left hand side over dy by dx. So ये पूरा कैरी करना, यहाँ तक पूरा कैरी करना, that becomes 1 upon 2 root x square plus root x square plus 1 into 2x plus 2x plus 1 upon 2 under x square plus 1 into what will be the derivative of x square? 2x. 1 ka 0. It's only 2x. Now differentiation is involved, but we can simplify this. इसको हम simplify कर सकते हैं. 2 और 2 cancel. Differentiation पूरा हो रहा है. आप इसको सिर्फ simplify करना है. This is 1 upon 2 under x square plus root x square plus 1 into अब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो 2x into this 2x under root x square plus 1 plus 1 into x is x divided by under root x square plus 1. This will be the answer dy by dx. So simple process of differentiation. Here are four functions. First is square root. Second is x square plus this. Again square root and again x square. That's why this is the process of differentiation. Now I hope you understand the derivatives of composite function. But these two examples or three examples are not sufficient for this. So we will take next example. On the same, number 4th example. Example number 4. Y is equal to cos of x square plus a square. So अभी क्लियर होगा कि ये स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन नहीं है. Why? Because it is a cos of, not a variable. It is a function x square plus a square. So function of another function. This is called as what? Composite function. Okay. Now we have to differentiate this. So process absolutely similar. That is differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of y is equal to d by dx of cos of x square plus a square. Now we know the derivative of sin x is cos x and cos x is what? Minus sin. This is the formula. d by dx of जो हमने कल लिया है cos of f of x. What is the derivative of cos of f of x? Minus sin of f of x into f dash of x. This f dash of x is a derivative of f of x. So here this is equal to dy by dx, derivative of y with respect to x. So what is the derivative of cos f of x? Minus sin f of x. X square plus a square. This is cos f of x minus sin f of x into d by dx of x square plus a square. अब सिर्फ इसका डिफरेंशिएशन लेना है हमको. इज इक्वल टू माइनस साइन ऑफ x square plus a square into derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of a square is 0 because this is a constant term. Why this is constant? Because x is a variable. Because we differentiate with respect to x, that's why a is a constant. Derivative is 0. So this is the answer. Minus sin of x square plus a square into 2x. This is our answer dy by dx. So अभी प्रोसेस आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि कंपोजिट फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव कैसा लेते हैं. सेम प्रोसेस है, रूल सेम है, फॉर्मूले सेम है. जस्ट दैट वाज द स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शन. दिस इज व्हाट? कंपोजिट फंक्शन. सो इसके बाद आप एक और एग्जांपल लेंगे. दैट इज नंबर 5th एग्जांपल. y is equal to log of tan of x y. अब यहां पर तीन फंक्शन है. log एक फंक्शन, दूसरा tan और तीसरा कौन सा? x y. function of function. It is a composite function. Now we have to differentiate. Process is absolutely same. Differentiate with respect to x. So this is d by dx of left hand side. This is d by dx of right hand side. Log of tan of x y. So what is the, listen now here, d by dx of log of f of x. What will be the derivative of log of f of x? 1 by f of x. 1 by f of x into f dash of x. log के साथ कौन सी भी टर्म रहने दो, उसको 1 upon लिखना है. That becomes what? 1 upon tan x by. This is dy by dx. Into अब ये होगा सिर्फ log का डिफरेंशिएशन. कौन सा बाकी है? tan का बाकी है. So right here d by dx of tan x by 2. अब वो हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप में लेंगे. This is 1 upon tan x by 2. So 1 by tan x by 2 means it's a cot x by 2. tan का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होता है? cot होता है. अभी it is not a standard function, it is a composite function. tan x रहता तो standard function. But tan x है यहाँ पे नहीं है, tan x by 2 है. That's why it is composite function. So right here, what will be the derivative of tan? sec square x by. sec square x by. जैसा tan x का डेरिवेटिव sec square x है, वैसा tan x by 2 कितना है? sec square x by 2 into d by dx of x by. d by dx of x by. So ये ट्रिगोनोमेट्री हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. cot को कैसा लिखना है? cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2. cot means what? cos by sin. sec square means what? 1 by cos square. Sec is a reciprocal of cos. And here derivative of x with respect to x is 1. 2 is a constant coefficient. 2 as it is. It is a constant as it is. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Sec square का reciprocal cos square. Cot means what? Cos by sin. Now this cos x by 2 and 1 cos x by 2 cancel. And here is 1 into 1 is 1. 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. It is a multiple angle formula. 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, it is a sin x is equal to 1 by sin x. Sin x का formula है 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. And 1 by sin x is what? Cosec x. Left hand side is what? dy by dx. What will be our answer? इस फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? सिर्फ cosec x. It is cosec x. Now it is clear? Is it clear? Very simple. Number 5th example on the same derivative of composite function. Now ये होगा trigonometric function, ये होगा log function और एक example लेंगे exponential function. Example number 6. Y is equal to square root of tan root x. अब ये भी तीन फंक्शन है. फर्स्ट स्क्वायर रूट, देन tan, देन रूट x. इट इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ फंक्शन ऑफ फंक्शन. 3 टाइम डिफरेंशिएशन लेना है. कंपोजिट फंक्शन है. So process absolutely same. Differentiate with respect to x. Left hand side d by dx, right hand side d by dx. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Of what? Y. Of square root of tan root x. Now this becomes dy by dx is equal to square root of f of x. ये फॉर्मूला फॉलो करना है. रूट का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है? 1 by 2 root tan root x. रूट में कौन सी टर्म है? डजंट मैटर. द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट इज व्हाट? 1 upon 2 root. जो भी है वो पार्ट आप लिखना है tan root x इनटू d by dx of सिर्फ किसका डिफरेंशिएशन हुआ है? सिर्फ रूट का हुआ है. अभी tan root x का बाकी है. सो d by dx of tan root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root tan root x into derivative of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of tan root x is sec square root x. Sec square root x into what is the d by dx of root x? वो अपने नेक्स्ट स्टेप में लिखना है. d by dx of what? root x. पहले रूट का होगा, उसके बाद tan, उसके बाद फाइनल कौन सा है? root x. Now it becomes sec square root x divided by 2 tan root x into what is the derivative of root x is what 1 by 2 root x. ये हो गया उसका फाइनल डिफरेंशिएशन. बट हियर इज अ स्कोप फॉर द सिंप्लीफिकेशन. हम इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. 2 into 2 4 हो गया. रूट ए रूट कंबाइन हो गया. रूट x into tan root x. ऊपर क्या है sec square root x. ये उसका आंसर बन गया dy by dx. This answer is what derivative of this function. यार इसको क्या कर रहे हैं, ये फंक्शन के क्या है डेरिवेटिव. ओके, तो ये 6 एग्जांपल हो गए कंपोजिट फंक्शन. जितने सारे एग्जांपल की प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना कंपोजिट फंक्शन स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा. ये कंपोजिट फंक्शन सपोज आपको आ रहा है तो आगे के एग्जांपल क्या होगी, प्रैक्टिस होगी. ओके, सो इसके बाद हर लेक्चर एग्जांपल. थैंक यू.